discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. I like the doors, look good. Nice. Ooh, lift, little lift. Leave it open, okay. This looks really good. Could you tell me what's in here and your name real quick?
4 Avatar STU-15s.
Okay.
In a 6th order.
Okay.
It's supposed to be on 4 Avatar 3500s, but I'm down 2. So it's only on 2 right now.
Okay. So lower power?
Yeah, way low.
What's your electrical like?
95 amp hour C-Max.
Okay. Any upgraded alternator?
Yeah, Singer 370.
Okay. Who built the box? This looks good.
I did.
Nice job.
Me and her.
Yeah, nice and sealed off, and you got a little bit of back room. Yeah. Good. You got a good room for your seats too.
We got 2. We drive it everywhere.
You do?
We're from Virginia, so we drove it all the way down here yesterday.
Oh, awesome. Okay. They have a good show. TDH we went to there last year. Y'all have a good show down there. A couple of them actually. So what is your impedance change? We're going from 2 to 4 amps to 2.
Right now, I just clamped it Thursday, and I'm at 4 ohms with box rise and everything. So I'm only getting like 1100 watts each stuff.
Yeah, got it.
And they're 3K RMS.
But, so with 4 amps, was it wired lower, higher?
Yeah, I was at 1 ohm each amp. Right now it's at 0.5 each amp. But it rises so high.
Yeah. Do you think you feel like you have more power out of 2 out of 4 wired down, or just you having issues with the amp? All 4? Okay.
All 4. I blew it at TDH as a matter of fact.
Man, okay. So
at TDH.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for the demo. And you're on Team Hertz Feelings, Frank. All right, appreciate it, man. I'll go look at the bag. Take a picture real quick. I forgot to take one. I'm sorry.
You're good.
I like to see everything.
Definitely go check your channel out.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Awesome. So it's louder with this open, or is just music? Okay.
Oh, she like to ride panoramic too. It's DJ Rusticles. Oh, she like to ride panoramic too. Automatic, panoramic too. That's my girl. She like to ride panoramic too. Let the stars do this panoramic too.
Yeah.
Really good, man. And it's good bandwidth with the doors open, so.
Yeah, for a 6-quarter, it's
Yes,
real good.
that's really good. Didn't fall off either. Nice job.
Definitely good. Check your channel out.
Thank you.
Keep it
Yes, sir.